Hello guys, today topic is how to use Android TV box. How to use an Android TV box, connecting, setup and more. An easy to follow guide for setting up an Android TV box with your TV. Connecting the Android TV box, setting up the Android TV box using the Android TV. Do you want to be able to use your old TV like a smart TV? Use an Android TV box. Android TV boxes are devices that run the Android operating system and connect to your TV. You can use them for streaming service such as YouTube, Netflix, Kodi, and more, so you can make your older TV act like a smart TV. This wiki how article teaches how to set up an Android TV box. Things you should know. Turn off your TV and connect your box to your TV using an cable. Plug in the box power cable and pair your remote. Select the language you wish to use and connect the TV box to your Wi-Fi. Then sign into your Google account. Search for games, shows, and movies on your TV. You can also listen to music via then Google Play Music app. Number one, connecting the Android TV box. Number one, turn off your TV. It's recommended that you turn your TV off when connecting on disconnecting device. Number two, connecting and cable to the port on the Android TV box. You will find this port on the back of the Android TV box. Number three, connect the other end to an open port on your TV. You will find the ports on the back of your TV or running along the side. Android TV requires an port, and if your old TV does not use, you can purchase an adapter. Number four, connect the Android TV box powder cable. It will turn on automatically. Number five, insert batteries into the Android TV box remote. The remote should come with batteries, but you can use any 2A batteries if you need to replace them. Number 6. Turn on your TV. Press the power button on your TV remote on the panel on your TV. Number 7. Press the input or source button on your remote. The labeling will vary depending on your TV. Number 8. Select the input for your Android TV box. You can cycle through the inputs until you see the welcome screen or look at the label for the port you use and jump straight to it. Number 9. Pair your remote if promoted. If you see the remote pairing screen instead of the welcome screen, you will need to manually pair the remote. Press and hold the back and home button on the remote for 5 seconds. Number 2, setting up the Android TV box. Number 1, select your language. Use the navigation wheel in the center of the remote to move through the menus. Click the large round button in the center to select something. Some devices have a automatic setup process when you first start the device. If your device does not have a automatic setup process, select settings and then select language and then select the language of your choice. Number 2, select your wireless network. The Android TV box can only connect it to network wirelessly. Make sure your range of your wireless network. If your device does not have an automatically setup process, select setting with the remote and then select network. select Wi-Fi and then select your wireless network.